Hi, once you've washed your face, then the next phase in your skin routine with the Bloom line would be your Glycolic Acid Toner. We do have a few other toners, but I'm going to really talk about the Glycolic Acid Toner because it's pretty phenomenal. You can put it on a cotton ball or on a makeup applicator. It doesn't take much, but Glycolic Acid Toner, it's very refreshing when I use it in the morning. It doesn't smell like apple cider vinegar, but it kind of has a little bit of that tingle sensation like apple cider vinegar. And Glycolic Acid Toner, it's a gentle yet effective toner, ideal for normal skin types, providing balanced hydration that soothes and refreshes. It's perfect for restoring a youthful appearance as it hydrates and revitalizes your skin. It leaves it feeling fresh and glowing. You can even see where the blood circulation is moving to the top layer of my skin as I'm gently removing even more dead debris. So it's very youthening and brightening on the skin. And it's recommended for all skin types. It works wonders when incorporated into your daily skincare. And it soothes, balances, hydrates, giving your skin a radiant and youthful glow. You want to use it using a cotton pad. I just use it oftentimes, just put a little bit on my hands and rub it in. Keep it away from the eyes. And I want to talk a little bit about these incredible products. And I usually take it in and down to my neck and maybe décolletage. It has distilled water, but it has hamamelis extract, and that helps with mild irritation or redness. It helps decrease inflammation. It also loosens the dead skin cells. You can see them here on the pad. We want that yuck off so that we can have more radiant, youthful skin. And it also, dirt, dust, debris, it takes any moisture that might be tangled with dead bacteria that is holding on to dead skin cells or the top skin cells that need to go on the skin. And it also shrinks the skin cells to provide a pore tightening effect on the epidermal layers. So you might even be able to see the firmness of my skin being very toned and more youthful. And what I love about it, it also has cranberry extract, and that's known for its anti-aging properties. Again, this skincare is 100% non-toxic, organic, holistic, and natural. It helps with wrinkles, dryness, and hyperpigmentation. Those are just the properties of cranberry extract alone. The cranberry contains antioxidants that help neutralize environmental stressors that cause our wrinkles. It improves the skin tone by brightening and protecting the skin. It helps improve the skin barrier because of the cranberry extract supporting the skin's barrier function. And also the skin's texture. Cranberry extract can promote smooth and flawless skin texture. It has soothing properties that can be used on compromised or irritated skin. It might bring up a little bit of a pinkness as you're removing anything that's left dead on the skin, but after a few minutes it goes away and you just have the radiant glow left behind. It also has linseed extract, and linseed extract is a natural ingredient that can be used in skincare products to hydrate, soothe, protect the skin. It's derived from the seeds of the flax plant. So with that, it contains omega-3 fatty acids, which help maintain skin's moisture. It's anti-inflammatory as well, so it can soothe irritated or red skin if you're someone that suffers with acne, breakouts, rosacea, or skin disturbances. It also helps, the linseed extract helps improve skin elasticity, which brings us to a more youthful, radiant appearance with the skin. The skin is more taut, not as in dry taut, but as in being firm and plump. It also, linseed is great for acne. It can unclog pores and combat acne using acne-causing bacteria. And it's great because of the lignans in the omega-3 fatty acids. Those are wonderful antioxidants that help neutralize free radicals that contribute to skin aging. It also helps with skin repair. It helps to damage repaired skin. And then we also have Althea extract. And Althea extract, you might also hear that as commonly spoken as marshmallow root extract. And that's a common ingredient that helps to soothe, hydrate, and protect the skin. It's also used in different moisturizers, serums, and creams. But Althea extract is kind of like the mucilage if you will. A lot of people are using snail slime on their face. Well, you could just use our glycolic acid toner and have a more plant-derived mucilage to be healing and reducing redness, irritation, and that mucilage actually performs a barrier that promotes skin repair. It helps smooth out uneven texture. It also helps even out skin tone. And then we also have almond extract in this formula. And the almond extract is primarily used as a moisturizing agent. It soothes dry, irritated skin. It nourishes the skin barrier, provides a smooth texture due to its high content of fatty acids and vitamin E, which we find in almonds. And that just deeply moisturizes the skin, especially if you have dry skin, by replenishing essential lipids in the skin. It has a soothing effect. It can calm redness, sensitivity. And the vitamin E also helps combat free radical damage. Improving our skin barrier helps us prevent moisture loss. And especially with aging skin, we want to really keep the skin refreshed, free of old dead skin cells. We want to turn over to fresh skin cells more frequently and keep those suckers hydrated. And then we also have glycolic acid polymer, and that is working to exfoliate the skin and improve its texture and tone. So that's a combination of actually 2 alpha hydroxy acids that break down in the skin to release active ingredients that help penetrate. It improves actually the penetration of any moisturizers and whatever I put on my skin after this, and the effectiveness of those formulas. But it's derived from sugarcane. It's natural. Glycolic acid is an exfoliating agent that removes dead skin cells, and it also helps reverse sun damage. So if you're someone that's suffering from skin texture issues, lack of tone, complexion issues, this is going to tighten the appearance of enlarged pores, making them smaller. It's going to minimize fine lines and wrinkles. It's going to leave the skin looking fresh and healthy with a natural glow. And it's great for acne. It removes and helps with dark skin patches on the face, acne scars. So if you've got any hyperpigmentation from sun damage, you will really enjoy the glycolic acid toner through the Bloom line. And then we also have citric acid in this formula, and that's a naturally occurring alpha hydroxy acid as well, found in citrus fruits. Common ingredient that's used to remove dead skin cells, revealing brighter and smoother skin. It's got antioxidant properties to protect the skin from free radical damage, which can contribute to our aging. It also balances the pH. We have something called the acid mantle on the face, and that's a reason really why we use a toner at all, between cleansing and moisturization. And the citric acid in this formula just ups the ante of that even more to really improve and balance the acid mantle or pH balance in the skin. Also, citric acid is really great to reduce acne. It unclogs pores. It helps to even out skin tone and reduce hyperpigmentation. I'm a sun lover, and even though I wear my sunscreen, I know I have some ladies that really struggle with hyperpigmentation, and there isn't one product in particular that's going to rid that for you. But if you stick with the Bloom line with these products, that this is in part what they deliver, and you use them in combination and in unison for many months, you're going to really notice an effect of not only the skin looking more radiant and reducing fine lines and texture, but you're going to notice a more even skin appearance. And it also has beta carotene, and beta carotene is converted into vitamin A in the body, and that helps produce a healthy golden glow. It improves our skin tone. Consuming foods rich in beta carotene and can also enhance our skin pigmentation, to make our skin a more healthful, youthful glow. But its studies actually show that beta carotene reduces sun skin sensitivity. It can also be kind of a natural sunscreen by absorbing some of the UV rays. But it's not a substitute for sunscreen, but it will improve your skin's elasticity, again, because you've got the vitamin A. It helps produce collagen production and reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Beta carotene also has a bit of a moisturizing, so once it dries off, you're going to feel even a slight moisturization and a softness of holding the moisture in your skin without even using any additional oils. So if you're somebody that struggles with dry skin, I think you're going to really love this toner. It helps also to promote skin turnover so that we can reduce inflammation and have more youthful skin. So I just love these products. And again, if you want to give it a go and you get on the Bloom site and you want to order, if you use the code Erica, not only will you get free shipping, you will also get 5% off your entire order.